In our attempts to hack into a website, we may find finding subdomains very vital. The target organizations whose website we are attempting to hack may have created a subdomain and forgotten about it. The subdomain may contain technologies that have not been updated, or the target organization may have a subdomain that have not been made public. So we can basically brute force these domains and try hacking into those websites. Now, in this lecture, we are going to learn how to make use of a Python 2 based tool called Knockpy to brute force subdomains. So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to go to our browser and then go to this particular tool repository and then try to clone the repository and make it available to our Kali Linux machine. So I'm on the this particular tool repository, Santico Knockpy. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'll just come over here. I'm going to copy the link, then I'll go back to my terminal, and as usual, I'm going to navigate to the opt directory. And as I've said earlier, now the opt directory is an ideal location for installing third-party applications. And by third-party applications, I mean applications that did not come bundled up with the Kali Linux machine by default. All right, so I'll hit enter. Now I've successfully navigated into the opt directory. Now I'm going to write this command: sudo git clone. Then I'm going to paste the link so that I can be able to clone this particular repository. All right, so I've already contained it. That I already have it on my system. I've already cloned the repository. That is why it is showing me this arrow, fatal destination, fat Knockpy already exists and it's not an empty directory. So I already have it. So you can proceed to clone the repository on your Kali Linux machine. All right, so now I'm going to navigate into this particular repository. I'm going to clear the terminal now. Now ls. Now this, I have already the tool, and then with the word list that I can make use of it. Now the detailed instruction on how to make use of this tool is already available on the repository page. So we can see the most basic usage of this tool, just to write Knockpy followed by the target domain. Then this will make use of the internal word list that is built into this tool. So basically what it does, it makes use of its brute force subdomains in a dictionary attack like fashion. So it goes through those words in the word list and then try to see whether there exists a subdomain that contains any of those words in the word list. So it performs a dictionary like attack to go through the words and then try to see whether there is a subdomain that match that particular word in the word list. So, and also we can make use of our own word list. We can make use of a tool like Crunch to create our own custom-made word list, and then try to make use of this knockpy.py alongside our own customized word list to brute force subdomains of our target website. So now I'll go back to the terminal. And then now I'm going to write Python, which is the Python 2 is the default Python that is installed on my Kali Linux. So if it is 3, I'll add, if I want to make use of Python 3, I'll put Python 3, but this is Python, which is the Python 2, which is the default Python that is installed on the Kali Linux. So if I write Python, the Kali knows that I'm referring to Python 2. So I'm going to write the name of the tool, and then make use of tab completion to complete the name. Then the domain that I want to brute force the subdomains on. So I'm going to make use of my own website, phoenixacademy.com. Now let's see what subdomains are available on this particular main domain, phoenixacademy.com. So I'm going to hit enter. All right, so as you can see, the knockpy has finished searching the subdomains that are related to our target domain, which is phoenixacademy.com, and it also returned the IP address and the host name of the name servers that answers to the domain phoenixacademy.com. You can see it has we have 2 name servers with 2 different IP addresses, and then it found 5 subdomains: forums.phoenixacademy.com, ftp.phoenixacademy.com. So basically that is how knockpy.py works to find brute force subdomains for us.